What up, I Snag? Out here on the River X. That's all you're gonna get out of me today. Out here with the squat. We got Brandon with the 10-inch Chile. We got Travis with the soaking wet sweatpants. And then we got old Gilbert back there breaking his uncomfortableness. Are you gonna fish on the left or the right? God damn. What up, I Snag? What up, I Snag? First nice largie of the trip by Brandon. By Uncle Tino with the large pepino.
He's saving my ass in the kayak.
That's cool. I had a monster carp thump my spinnerbait. Well, like I was throwing it on the pads and it bumped.
He popped. I thought it was bigger. He was like, nice one, Gil. Yeah, nice one, Gil. He pulled, bro. He didn't come back up.
Probably got in that current. Oh, the lady's gonna die about that.
Yeah.
Fish for
it's gonna come out probably. It's caught on the bottom of the gill.
Like a 20, 19, something like that.
Nice one. You got a hog job, right?
Yeah.
What up, I Snack? Just made our first adjustment. What are you putting on, Gilbert?
Texas rig.
T-rig. I took off my buzzbait, put on a little redback crankbait Gilbert let me borrow, and a 1/2 ounce jig. Freaking Manny told me baby jigs. I don't believe him. What'd you put on?
A little Savage Gear perch.
Uh-oh.
Bluegill.
Uh-oh. He ain't gonna catch nothing. What about you, Brandon? What are you changing up?
With a little critter crawl.
A little critter crawl? Stay tuned. Hopefully we get on. Fatty on the full-size jig. He's 16.
14.
That's an actual 16. Let's see. 16 and a half. No. More pads, Brandon. Oh, got him, yeah, on the shed, Nice. I knew there was gonna be a nice one right there. Sick. Ha ha. Yes, sir. Ah. Check it out. Shad bass. He came out and smoked it. Travis, hit. Oh hold on. Right there. Lone Star River Riders, check it out. This right there, ain't nothing. I promise it looks way worse than it'll be. Turn on your camera. Just go, just ride it, just ride it. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Keep it straight, don't get scared, you got it. There you go, woohoo! Just go, don't worry about it. The water will take you. Oh, you fucked up. Bail.
Bail, bail.
Bail, bail, bail. You're good. You're good. You're good. Where's the line right there? Oh, oh, my whole front end went in and my jacket got wet. Who did? He's like maybe 21.
I was expecting bigger, but it's a good fish.
Biggest one we seen all day.
I'm not saying it's bad. No, it looked bigger when it was splashing though, for real. Like a shimmer of light, and I was like, damn. Big fish. Backside is, I don't know why you were fishing in the front. That's a little bit.
He's only 20 and a half. He ain't picture worthy.
Right? Yeah.
Choked it 20 and a half.
Let me take a picture of this, man. Was it like 4?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. He's like 3 and a half, really. He just looked long and big in the water.
Yeah, it did look big in the water.
What did you catch it on?
Space monkey.
Space monkey.
Strike King space monkey.
Keep you straight. Oh, it's not even towards you.
It's alright. It's skinny though.
There you go. Which side's easier?
The other one, it had a small mouth, but it looked almost exactly the same.
Oh, really?
Just a little bit more brown.
Oh, got him. Yep. He's all right. On the board, Brendan!
Alright, go fish for a tree, Gilbert, catch it over here.
16 even, Travis. 16.
Let me see. Any visual evidence? Alright, I can agree to 15.